In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automated invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. If you're finding your inbox flooded with automatic invoice reminders or perhaps sending more than intended to your customers, this guide is here to simplify the process for you. First, let's navigate to QuickBooks by opening your preferred web browser and typing in qbo.intuit.com to access QuickBooks Online's homepage. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the familiar dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your finances, so take a moment to get comfortable if it's your first visit. Now, up towards the top right corner, you'll see a cogwheel icon, commonly known as Settings. Click on this icon. It's the gateway to customizing your QuickBooks experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select Account and Settings. This section allows you to personalize many aspects of your account, but today our focus will be on sales settings. Within Account and Settings, find the tab labeled Sales on the left-hand side menu and give it a click. This section is dedicated to managing your sales preferences, and it's where you'll control invoice-related settings. Scroll down until you reach the section marked Default Email Message for Invoices. Here, you'll find options for customizing email messages that accompany your invoices when sent out. Next, we'll turn our attention to the feature Automatic Invoice Reminders. This is a tool that's great for ensuring timely payments, but it can be a bit of a double-edged sword if not configured properly. If you'd prefer to handle reminders manually, or to prevent them from going out automatically, you'll want to turn this off. To do so, simply click on Automatic Invoice Reminders. Once inside, you'll find a switch or toggle to disable this feature. Deactivating this option means QuickBooks will no longer auto-send those reminder emails, giving you more control over your client communications. It's ideal for more involved customer interactions, or if you want to avoid being too persistent with reminders. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off automated invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. Take a moment to ensure all your settings are saved properly before exiting. It's always worth double-checking your changes to avoid any unwanted features sneaking back. By following these easy steps, you've streamlined your QuickBooks setup. Your communication strategy is now more tailored, freeing you from unnecessary clutter in your outbox and hopefully fostering better customer relations. Thank you for watching this guide, and make sure to like, comment, or subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!